I am recording again. Look at how I changed the... Oh, party palace. Cool. Now I have our apple and our balloon prepared. If you guys are wondering what the apple does, it's... Whoa, look at the fighting just went crazy. Should we ride it? I don't think it's safe. I'm gonna ride it. Whoa, it kicked me. Okay. I did not know that would happen. But anyways, well, lots of people are riding this. Well, I want to ride the merry-go-round. I love horses. Wait, no, I'm gonna go inside the house. Now. Hey, it's that girl again. I memorized her name. She changed too. Oh no, that wasn't a safe place. Oh no, there was a safe place. Flash flood. So let's go. Hey, I'm sneaking on your butt, dude. Now, let's go up. Okay, good. La 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 la, you can never catch me. Flash flood. You can never catch me up here, and I even have a balloon and an apple. Apple. Yes, and I'm gonna eat my apple, so I don't have any legs. There we go. Now, let's do our balloon. Look at my kitty tail, and my kitty ears, and my headband, which is going through my kitty ears, and my leg. And my cotton candy hair and my pineapple clothes.
No, I almost survived it.
And I survived. I died too late.
I almost survived.
Yay, I survived. Oh my goodness, it's totally covered. Hey, look at my balloon. It's going small, then big. Then small, then big. Fortune circle. Okay. I don't know where that is, but... Oh, I thought I was barefoot. I had tiny little shoes. Tiny little shoes. Now. Ooh.
I'll never see your tiny shoes.
Oh, just wait. Jump down.
Sorry. I can't see them.
Okay, that's what I'm trying to learn.
Okay.
It looks like I don't
I
have.
got a black one.
Yeah, that's my shoes. Okay, we're ready. Oh, we're going to this bacon. Oh man, well, it's a good day. It's not me.
There was no tsunami.
Oh my goodness, the tsunami's coming. Bum, 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 bum. Wow, that's how Gracie looks like. Whoa, you two are weird. No, you guys are really weird. Time to jump. Can you give me a boost, Gracie? Thanks. Wee, jumping. Okay, it suddenly just got closer. It's like, oh no. Take cover. Yes, I made it. Woohoo! Let's see the others just keep dying. Let's see them die. Oh, some people are dying. Totally. I'm eating my apple. Yay! Free time. We can play here. Whoa. We can climb
Do I
here.
got any light?
Yeah, you don't. What about me?
You do. You rock!
This apple is so yummy. Please eat my apple. Yes, thank you. Oh, good. Roblox experts. Let's see about that. Okay, I think I'm not a Roblox expert. Well, I love to play Roblox. So that's my deal. Oh, I see her. Hello, hello. 60 seconds. Now. Ooh, some dirt. Do not step on the dirt. Do not step on the dirt, please. Okay, it looks like a sunny day again. Could be stormy again. Let's stay here just in case.
Earthquake.
Whoa. It could be earthquake too. There's lots of disasters that have good days and bad days. So woohoo! Let's stay up here. If some rumblings comes, there's earthquake. If a tsunami comes, there's tsunami. And if some earthquake! Whoa, the earthquake was right.
No, I've been flying off.
Okay, let's.
No, I've been flying off and I die after.
Why can't I jump that high? Oh my goodness, I'm going. Oh no, my bullet popped. Oh no. Look at my friend. Oh, I was naked. Oh, that was gross. Okay, I think I should stop it. Bye.